Hi, this is Joe from 2190 ST Transport Vlogs. I hope that you enjoy this video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.
And clear. Doors closing. This is an all-stop service to Tallawong. The next stop is Macquarie Park. Is Macquarie Park. For Macquarie Shopping Centre, stay on board and alight at the next station. Doors will open on the right. This stop is Macquarie Park.
I'm going to wrap the vlog up. Thank you so much for watching.